Hey guys, what's going on? It's Scott, and today I just wanted to quickly show you how to set up your first API into Aweber with Listflex. So if you've already got an Aweber account, great. And if you haven't signed up for Listflex, do so. And then this tutorial is going to show you how you can quickly set up an API so that you can drip leads into your Aweber email list or multiple lists if you like. So again, this is a demo account. Once you log in, you're going to want to find the client, or sometimes I call it the destination of where your leads are going to go. In this case, Aweber is the client. So we would click on Aweber, and then we'd go up here to more options, and we would then go to API integrations. And you'll see here that there's one that's automatically set up for every client inside of Listflex. But in this case, we're going to want to add a new integration. And the first thing that's going to ask you to do is it's going to ask you to name the integration. So the description, we'll just call this Aweber, and we'll say weight loss list, or whatever your list name is. Then it's going to ask you for an endpoint, some post variables, and a couple other things. What's important to know is that in the help section of Listflex are all the details, and here's what that looks like. We've got a tutorial that's already built. Take you about 5 minutes to read down through this. But essentially, it's going to ask you to log into your Aweber account. You'll see our app, which I'll show you in a second. It'll ask you for a few things: access key, access secret key, and your list ID. And then this right here will show you how you set it up, which we'll do right now. But what it's going to look like is you'll click on that link. It'll ask you to log in. Once you're logged in, you will see something like this. The Listflex app is automatically integrated with Aweber. All you'll have to do is just kind of click to follow the protocol and the steps, which you'll see in the tutorial right here. But I've already gone ahead and done that. And again, just for the sake of saving time, this is kind of what it would look like. So you name it. This is going to be a regular API. The endpoint, let me see here. I'm going to cheat and pull it from Notepad. Would look something like that. And the post variables, in this case, we're just going to do the basic stuff. We'll do first name, email, and IP. And here's what that'll look like. And back to the tutorial section where I was mentioning access key, access secret key, and list ID. Those three things are going to change and are what you're going to update. Passing first name, email, and IP, it's just the basics. Obviously, you can pass more. And if you want to do that, Listflex makes it easy by just clicking here. If you want to put other information into your Aweber account, you can. Timeout, this is how long you're willing to wait for Aweber to respond to either accept or deny the lead. Date format, this is fine. Just leave it as is for Aweber. URL encode, no. Request type is going to be post. And Aweber's success response isn't success, it's actually successfully. And once you post a lead to Aweber, and that'll be in a different tutorial as far as setting up the actual order itself, your system will successfully send the leads and get that response, and your autoresponders will go out accordingly on the Aweber side. So now that we've added that, here it is. This is what it looks like. It's inside the client Aweber, and in a different tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a new order and tie it to that Aweber integration. So hope that helps, and if you have any questions, get a hold of us or one of our sales guys, and we'll get you squared away. Thanks.